Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll quickly unbox Manol chain loop, which I ordered from Amazon. Let's quickly unbox and see the product. Okay, so this one is 200 ml this thing chain loop, and this particular chain loop is called as chain loop Manol 7901. This is fully synthetic white grease chain spray. Yeah, and talk about this product. I have not seen much of review in India. If you search for this particular chain loop, I don't see anyone reviewing this product in India. Let me see the country of origin. So the country of origin is Germany. So I think mostly it is used outside India, I guess. In India, I think very few users use it, maybe, and the YouTubers have not kind of reviewed it as much as they review Motol or any other product which is available in Amazon, which is available and which is quite famous also. Okay, and this one will let me see the cost. Okay, this one costed me around 6.99. I got it from Amazon. Okay, let's other than that, let's open this product. So this has this thing which you can take it out, and let me open it here. The nozzle, so that you can use it comfortably without being closer to the chain, which is very good. Yeah, let's yeah, so this one is not very sticky, I would say. When you try to rub it softly it gets sticky maybe once you spray this thing in the chain. So it is white grease, and it is very soft. It's like water. So once the chain gets rubbed, like if you can see this, while I'm rubbing this, while it gets heated, it turns into a soft kind of thing. Yeah, so once you spray it, it's like kind of water, so it will not kind of spill over all the places, and you need not to clean it because it's like water. I would say it's a white grease. Once you rub it, it gives you a sticky surface. Yeah, that's it, guys. Nothing much to talk about this product. So what I'll do is I'll review this product. I'll use this product soon. So I'm about to clean my chain. So I'll use this chain loop. So I'm planning to use kerosene to clean my chain, and use this Manol 7901 chain loop to loop the chain. I'll show you guys a demo video once when I do it, when I clean the chain. Yeah, that's it, guys. Nothing much to add. If you have, guys, any question, I'll give you guys a link in the description, the Amazon link wherein I bought this product. Okay, nothing much. If you guys have anything, please do mention it in the comment section. I'll reply on the comment. Thanks for watching.